Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to take the seat off a bike and replace it onto another bike, just in case your daughter decides to break her seat. This is the recommended tool I suggest. It fits in my purse. So this guy goes around most bike bolts. Put it around the bolt, just so, and slowly turn it to the left. You can see it's loosening up now. Ta-da! It was very simple. You don't want to loosen these. You want to loosen the part that's just under. Okay? Now that you have that part off, you can start taking the other seat off to replace it. Amen. Now you can go ahead and loosen the second seat on your second bike. If you have a light reflector in the way, you can use the star head to loosen it up and move it out of the way. Okay, just move it to the side and continue turning your bolt to the left. Usually to the right, but you're pulling down towards the left. Lefty loosey, righty tighty.
You got this shit knocking on.
I can feel your heart racing, 'cause everybody knows, yeah, everybody knows. And I can feel your body shaking every single touch. That's just how it goes. That's just how it goes. My mind is so hard, being addicted to your love. I find it so hard being addicted to your touch. I find it so hard knowing that you are just my drug. I find it so hard knowing you treating me like a mug. We ain't gotta talk about it, I already know, 'cause every time we talk about it, just stare at the floor.